Hello, this is Trevor. Today we're working on a file upload vulnerability in PortSwigger's Web Security Academy. This time it is web shell upload via extension Blacklist bypass. So lab contains a vulnerable image upload function. File extensions are blacklisted and there's a bypass in the configuration due to a fundamental configuration of this blacklist. Solve the lab. We need to get a web shell, delete Carlos's secret, or not delete, retrieve, and then submit that. We have our own account we can log in as, and there's a hint. You need to upload 2 different files to solve this lab. Interesting. Okay, let's check it out. Please remember to like and subscribe, leave a comment, let me know how things are going. They released more labs today. Awesome. I thought I was almost done. And then they go and release more. Sweet PortSwigger. All right. Anyway, we want to be able to upload. So let's go to my account. Wiener Peter. And let's just start, see what errors we get. So I'm going to make that a bookmark. So I'm going to go to home. It's early. Courses, Web Security Academy. I'm going to add to bookmarks. So I can just click it from now on. Should have done that a long time ago. We need file upload, command.php, open, upload. Sorry, PHP files are not allowed. Okay. So there's a fundamental flaw in. And we need to. This makes me think that we need to upload an htaccess file. And when we upload the htaccess file, we can change it so that it will actually just run like one of our scripts as PHP. Let's try it. Let's create one. Vim htaccess equals. Let's what? Let's try to add type. Let's look this up. Chrome. Let's do change htaccess execute as PHP. Yeah, something like that. This looks right. Yeah. All right. So it looks like this is defining 2 file types that will run as PHP, and they've got PHP 5 there. We'll try without, so we'll do like this, and I'm just going to add 1 file type, D to the end. We're going to add it as Trevor, because why not, right? We're the hackers. Now, when I go to proxy, HTTP history, I'm going to find that post. I'm going to send it to repeater, and I'm going to change the file name to Trevor. That seems, we'll leave the content type for now. I think that's it. Just change that. It has been uploaded. So now if we visit avatars. Let's go. It's funny how if you don't get enough sleep, you become real dumb. And that's me right now. Okay, so I want to go to avatars CMD Trevor. If I go proxy my account and I look at the link, because I totally forgot my account. Resources. Oh, that's images. Okay. Oh, I can just refresh this. And now copy image link, visit it. That looks promising. It looks very promising. So if I do question mark CMD equals who am I? Negative. Negative. That did not work. Oh, did I upload the HT access file? Did I totally not do the one thing we needed to do? I know I wrote something, right? What did I? Oh, I created the file, but I did not upload it, I don't think. Peter, wow. Wow, wow, wow. So we want to change this file name .ht access. We can leave that. And then the file contents will be this. Send. 200 okay. Yeah. Now, refresh this. Yeah. Carlos. Whoop, whoop. All right. Oh, God. What do we need to do? All right. We need to do this programmatically. Let's go and start the script. Copy link. Python utils create script. Paste that. We're going to copy this. Paste it. And then we're going to vim web shell upload via extension. There we go. Let's check out one of these, maybe the first one. I'm just looking through it. File name. It looks right. Where do I find file name? Oh, right there. Okay. Yeah. Let's grab this. Okay. Whoops. I want it there. Let's do a def upload. We're going to upload something here. Upload. We'll just do like this. Upload file. And the things we may need to change are file name, file path. Do it like this. Man, I need to start getting more sleep. Pass. Okay. I don't know why we're going to do this. We're going to extract the CSRF. We're going to go file name. We can upload that goes there. We need to change this when we upload. Let's look at one of the other ones, like the via path traversal. 1 and do this. Command, we want to name this command.trevor. Open file name and have it be application x php. Cool. We are going to upload that. Files, avatars. We're going to do this in a minute. And this says file name. We want exploit name, local. Maybe we want like local file name and upload file name equals command.trevor. And then we can change this here. And the reason I like to load, like the reason I'm replacing this is so that down here I can do the same. It's much, there's less chance of me creating errors in my code if I do these strings, I enter these strings once and then use the same variable name everywhere. And since I'm doing the file URL, that looks good. Here I'm going to open the local file name. And this is where I upload it. So let's grab this stuff and move this. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. I was editing the wrong file that whole time. Undo. So I'm just going to undo all the changes. Okay. Now what I want is to do the same thing here. Apologize about that. All right. Let me close this. Close this. Delete this. We're going to do local file name, upload file name equals command.trevor. This we are going to change to upload file name. This will be local file name. All right, let's start. So we want upload local file name, upload file name, and we probably want like mime type equals, we'll put it as application/x php just so we can change it if we need to. All right. And then local file name will be default, well, whatever. We're going to move this, all of this to here. And we need blog. So let's submit that first, I guess. And CSRF. Oh, should we? Yeah. I was thinking of maybe moving this request up there, but let's do this. We'll go here. All right. We need cookies. Dang it. I really should move this. I'm going to. We're going to log in. We're going to extract the CSRF all here. So that means we don't need CSRF anymore. Okay. Then this will define the URL, define the files, which we have upload file name, local file name, read as binary. Here I should put MIME type, data, username, yep. And then we're going to post it, and we're going to return resp. Okay. Here, we're going to do upload file, blog, local, upload. I don't know if we need the resp. So this is going to upload command.trevor. Now we need to upload HT access. So HT access. And we should do like, we'll just write it, I guess. So what I'm going to do, I was trying to figure out how, I'm going to just do like this. Copy, go here, and do echo output to HT access. There we go. Now if we cat HT access, looks good. All right. When you want upload file, log, the local file name will be HT access. The upload file name will be .ht access. Cool. That should upload it. Once that's done, file URL, now access file. Access shell is what it, change word shell. Right here we want, this is upload file name. Params. Cool. Okay. We may have solved it. May. I think there's a good chance. Let's do it. Attempting to log in. We got logged in. We're logging in again. Why not? We got Carlos. Checking if solved. Lab is solved. Man, we are dang good at this. I don't like how we logged in twice. Oh, that was to upload each file. Oh, well. That's not too bad, I guess. But we got it solved. So this was a cool one. We had to override the HT access file, or I guess upload an HT access file. And normally naming anything with a dot would be blocked, but we were allowed. So we uploaded a .ht access file that told the web server that any .trevor files to treat as PHP. And so that when we uploaded the .trevor and visited it, it did treat that code as PHP. We were able to execute that. Sweet. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much. Goodbye.